Alright guys, welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to talk about how to increase the size of the icons of the applications on your iPhone. This method works for any iPhone model and any version of iOS. So first of all, we go to our settings and then we go and find display and brightness. Okay, we tap on it once. Now you scroll slightly down to find this display zoom section. Okay, you tap on it once and here you can choose the default or the larger text version. Okay, so look, if we choose larger text and then we press confirm and then use zoomed, then it goes completely black. Wait for a couple of seconds and then you can see that everything has become much bigger, including the icons. However, it also increases the size of the text and it does it by a pretty significant margin. Okay, we go back to the display and brightness. And if you don't want the text size to be that big, you can go to the text size and reduce it to the amount needed. Okay, or in my case, I'll just turn off the display zoom section. Okay, and there is two more options to do this, and they are much more effective than the larger text one, and I'm going to show them right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we go back to our home screen and tap on any completely free section, and then we go to edit. Okay, over here we tap edit. Oops, didn't work. We press edit. Okay, and then customize. Okay, and here you can see that I can choose the default dark clear tinted, but over here in the top right corner I have this small icon, which if you tap on, you will see that the icons became much bigger and it removed the text, the caption of the icon. Okay, now we can make them even bigger by pressing on any icon specifically. For example, this Strava application, I'm pressing on it and then you can see that either at the bottom or at the top of this section you can find the widget section, and just like so we can tap on it once and make the application widget from going from the icon to a widget. Now it is much bigger and it also provides more information depending on the app. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.